Step 1 is to disconnect the battery for safety. Pop the hood using the lever in the footwell on the driver's side. Open the hood using the secret magic latch that pops out. There are 3 spring-loaded twist tabs that need to be removed to get to the cabin air filter. Pull out the top of the cabin air filter housing with the 3 spring-loaded twists attached. Also, pull out the cabin air filter itself, shown directly above it in this picture. There are 4 TT30 bolts that need to be removed, which are hidden behind the air filter. There are 2 tubes running underneath the cabin air filter housing. Unclip them, then the entire housing can be removed by pulling up and then toward the front of the vehicle. There are 2 10mm bolts securing the engine cover. To get to them, 2 pop tabs need to be removed first. Undo the oil cap, and then the engine cover comes right off. Locate the first spark plug. This will be the one closest to the front of the vehicle. Then, lift up the plastic flap holding in the wiring harness, pull out the wiring harness, and then twist gently so that you can get the ignition coil up and out. After removing the engine coil, you should be able to see the spark plug. Use a ratchet with a spark plug socket in addition to an extender to access the spark plug and remove it. Remember, lefty-loosey. After you have removed the old spark plug, take the new spark plug and stick it into the spark plug socket. Then, using your torque wrench, tighten it into the vacated slot. Spark plugs are supposed to be inserted with 18 foot-pounds of torque. Push the ignition coil back in until it is seated firmly. Then reattach the wiring harness and push back down the plastic tab, ensuring everything is seated firmly. Spark plugs are to be changed in the order that they fire. The next picture will show you the correct order. Repeat the replacement of the spark plugs in the correct order until all 6 have been changed. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your spark plugs. Be sure to check for any tools that you may have left before you reconnect the battery. Feel free to comment with any questions or concerns that you may have, and enjoy your new spark plugs.